YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J. We talking about some Toshi Coin today. We're gonna talk about some Bitcoin. Before we get into it, guys, I gotta let you know too, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. Okay, let's talk about it. As you guys can see, Toshi Coin coming in at 123 million market cap. Holder count coming in at 55.4. Right. Let's see. It started to see some volatility. Right. The past 7 days we're down only 10%, but it just feels like we're just been trending in this area for like ever, right? We're starting to fall once again into this oversold zone, and usually we would normally see a pump after this because look, it's happened right here, it's also happened right here, also right here. Usually we fall into this oversold zone. Sometimes we see a pump happen after, but it just seems like with Bitcoin lacking volume that we might see some more possible capitulation. The 4-hour looking a little bit again sold. Also the 12-hour looking like we're starting to break down, right? But can we still break up out of this 12-hour? We've seen that we've broken under this quite a bit before, right? So it's not the first time that we've seen this type of correction on Toshi and then see a big spring back up. But again, Bitcoin decides it wants to correct down. Right now it's coming in at like 81,000. That is not super hot in price. There are still a lot of people though that are taking advantage of the price. It does look like in the chat over here where it's talking about, you know, how much is being bought. So that's good. What do you guys think? Are you bullish right now? Are you buying? Have you guys been buying, or have you been waiting for some cheaper prices? Definitely the market's looking pretty split, and right now seeming pretty much like just it's lacking in volume. You know, we're seeing a lot of little buy orders coming in, but they're tiny, right? Look at some of these orders are coming in super small. Some of these yeah, just something to pay attention to. But at the same time, I'm still bullish on Toshi. I like this coin. It's a coin that I'm planning to be dollar cost averaging into. And if I can get you cheaper, then I want to get cheaper. So let's talk about Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is kind of the market driver that drives the market. So as you guys can see, again, Bitcoin coming in at 81.7 right now. Seeing some volatility. Starting to see a little bit of sell-off on the 1 day, right? Can we pick it back up? We're already breaking down off of some key zones right now. And this is what I was telling you guys, a little bit concerned about. Now starting to break down off of another bear flag right here. We just created a bear flag right here, and now we're starting to break down again. And that's why, again, we're seeing so much breakdown in the market. Bitcoin just looking really funky. Past 7 days down 5%, right? Oh man, Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin. Are you gonna pull up or what? But yeah, what do you guys think? Are you bullish on Bitcoin? Are you bearish on Bitcoin? Do you guys think that Bitcoin's gonna need to see some more correction? On the 1 year, it's up 16% right now. So this time March, we were about at the same range. Interesting, but I think that it needs to have a little bit more correction. Personally, I think it needs to see that 68-70 range, and I think that we're gonna probably see some cheaper prices unless it could double bottom and pick back up in some price. That would be awesome, but does seem like a lot of this market is starting to see some sell-off, a lot of stuff. It'll be interesting to see which of these coins move around in the top 10. I do think that some of these coins will move around the top 10, and I actually think Toshi will actually move up in the top coins. I think, who knows, maybe we'll even see Toshi get into the top 100 on the next pump, because a lot of these coins will be lacking volume and they're not going to be around. So I do think that Toshi will be around, though. I think that Toshi will pick up in volume. I've seen this coin pick up in volume quite some times, right? So it's definitely one that, again, I'm paying attention to for the recovery. Hopefully that recovery comes soon, but I'm patient on it. I'm trying to get this thing as cheap as I can. Like I said, if I can get it cheaper than this, I'm buying it all day. I'm buying it all day. What do you guys think? Am I crazy for that? Or are you buying it too? Let me know in the comment section. Also, we've blown up, guys, like 5,000 holders in the past like couple days. So keep engaging the content, keep liking, keep commenting. I think the last video was kind of lacking in views. I'm not sure if that's because the search volume started going down a little bit, or because I don't know. But anyway, guys, I appreciate you. I'll catch you next video. Peace.